Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are following me on social media, then you know that I've been out of the makeup game. I had a terrible allergic reaction to something. I'm not sure what it was, but I do have two suspects in mind. But my skin is improving, and I wanted to show you guys my beauty space and what I use to film. I also wanted to show you guys my makeup collection, so let's go upstairs and let me show you everything. The stairway to heaven. So right here is an overview of what's behind me when I film my videos. And then over here is where I film all of my videos. So this desk is actually an office desk. I got this at IKEA. I did have a longer table here before, which is the one I use to film now. So I used to have this here with all of my makeup. I will leave a link down below if I do find it, but I did get this years ago. The mirror and the lights are also from IKEA. That's an overview of what I have here, and I'm gonna show you guys my collection. These drawers, I got them at MUJI, and I really like them. These are the 5 drawers. If you do get like the smaller ones, like the 4 drawer or the 3, they're actually much wider than these. These are pretty thin. And then these lipstick holders, I got this in, I believe the Container Store or Amazon. I will leave a link down below to everything, like I said. And I got these lip glosses one from Amazon. And I also got this from Amazon. And then this guy, I have no idea where I got this from. This was so long ago, I really don't remember. And then I have my brushes in this little glass thing for now. Before we get started, please excuse my nails. I have a treatment on them. I do need to get my nails done, but they've been growing like crazy, so that's really good. So on top of my little acrylic here, my acrylic drawers here, I have some of my palettes that are too big for any storage. And here I got the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette, which is such a tragic story. I'm so embarrassed that I'm not gonna even open this, but she is shattered all over the place. But I do have 2 highlighters that are still good, so I don't want to get rid of it. And then I got my Carly Bible palette and then the Jaclyn Hill palettes. So I pretty much just leave these here since they are so much bigger and I like them there. So my first drawer is the pretty much like all Dose of Colors except for one item. I have my Blushing Berries, which you guys know I love, the Sassy Siennas. Here I got the Desi X Katie first palette that they came out with. I got the Amrezy highlighter, such a good highlight. And then I have 2 of the Block Party eyeshadows from Dose of Colors. I also did a video on these. These are so bomb, and I left them here on the side, that way I can get like two more fits in there. In my second drawer, I have these 2 Anastasia palettes, the Modern Renaissance and the Soft Glam. I also have a small little palette from ColourPop here. I really like this palette. It has like neutrals and golds. In my third drawer, I have my highlighters and my blushes. I'm kind of mad though that I didn't do a declutter video because I got rid of so many things. But these are the things that I felt like I definitely use and I will always have them. And if I ran out of them, I will definitely get a backup for it. I have the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. I got the MAC Gold Deposit. I had this for years, and I will not get rid of this. Like, hell to the no. I love the gold color on this. And I got a Wet n Wild's highlighter, the Milani Luminoso blush, which is like an OG. I feel like this is everyone's first blush from the drugstore. Next, I have the MAC Warm Soul, MAC Peaches. I mean, come on. I even hit pan on this one. This is such a good everyday blush. I love this. And then I got MAC's Love Thing. For the next drawer, I have my blushes, my blush kit from Anastasia, highlighter contour combo from Maybelline, and then I have this Wet n Wild palette back here, which is such a good palette. I only got to use it once and I really want to use this again. Isn't that annoying when the sticker is on the packaging? My next drawer is basically my pigments. This drawer used to be filled with pigments and glitters, but I got rid of all of them because honestly, I just don't use them anymore. I have this Makeup Geek pigment. This is Vegas Lights. I freaking love this so much. And then I have Birthday Wish, which is one of my favorite pigments. It's like a nice rose gold color. I have an orange liner because you never know when you need that. I love these. I can't believe people don't ever talk about these. These are from L'Oreal and these are so pigmented. I really like these eyeshadows. I use these several times and I had to save this one and this turquoise color. It's just so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Then over here, I just have some glitter sticks. These are all from Revlon. Then I have these two eyeshadow palettes from ColourPop. I Think I Love You, Yes Please, which has been well loved. My favorite brand of lashes are Cocoa Lashes. I got the style Amore. These are Queen Bees, Honey Bees. I got some Flutter lashes. I have the Christina lashes that I love. These are such a good everyday lash. Like if you're not a lash wearer, I always recommend these because these are so lightweight. You don't even feel them. And then I have the Lily lashes and Mykonos. In this drawer, I have a couple of things. I have some concealers. I got some LA Girl, Maybelline. I got a color corrector, a backup mascara because you never know. I have this glitter glue, which is really nice. I also have some primers and a liquid glow and some backup pencils, eyebrow pencils. In this drawer, I have a glow kit from Anastasia. Can you believe she discontinued this one? This one was my favorite one and she discontinued it. I'm still salty about it because I don't care about the other ones. I care about that one. Then in this drawer, I have the original contour kit. And then I have the, sorry. And then I also have the Jaclyn Hill with Becca Cosmetics. Look how freaking pretty. So in the last drawer, these are eyeshadow palettes that I just don't want to get rid of because they're limited edition. They're not available anymore and I really like the packaging. Do you guys remember the Lavish palette? What? I have such good memories with these eyeshadow palettes. Like, oh my god, Rum Cake was my color. Like it was just everything to me. Pink Sapphire, Sienna. I mean, oh, this was such a good palette. This was actually released before all her single shadows. So I remember when they were first coming out, I was like, oh my god, I could finally get like Rum Cake for, you know, as a single shadow. Like I don't have to use this palette or whatever, but they never came out with it. So, wah. Then I have the, I think this is the World palette. I don't even remember. But this is such a old one as well, but I don't want to get rid of it. This is when I started using Beauty Mark. Look at me. I even remember the name of the shade. That's how much I love this shade so much. And I still do. It's one of my favorite shades to use. And then the Amrezy palette. I remember this palette so well. I mean, it was a favorite of mine for real. Like I dig holes in these eyeshadows already. But I don't want to get rid of it because I don't know, I just like the packaging and I liked it. And then the Maya Mia, this is such a nice palette and this was also well loved. I pulled this forward so you guys can see better. So over here I have all of my lipsticks and my liquid lipsticks. So in the first row I have all of my limited edition packaging or any of my like favorite lipsticks. So over here I have the Rihanna with MAC. You guys remember when this came out? Talk That Talk. What? Everybody was on this so hard. So hard. It was well loved. These purple ones are the MAC and Selena collection, which of course I had to get because I was such a huge fan of Selena and the movie and all that. These are the Dose of Colors and Desi X Katie. These are two such great nudes. So I have them here in the front. And then here's the NARS Anna lipstick. This is such a staple. Honestly, I love this lipstick so much that I try not to use it often. I actually wanted to use this for my wedding day, but I didn't want to transfer any lipstick onto Benny, so I didn't use it. But if you don't care about that and you're like an upcoming bride, like get this perfect mauve pink color. It's just, oh, it screams bridal, to be quite honest with you. And then this row is all MAC. I have just different colors like Cherish, Lady Danger, Kind of Sexy. This is Riri Woo, actually. I have it right behind Talk That Talk. This is Del Rio, one of my favorites from MAC. Like, I went through like 3 tubes of that already. I'm just obsessed. And then I have some L'Oreal. This is L'Oreal. Please let it be L'Oreal because I'm gonna feel stupid if it's not. Yes, it is L'Oreal. L'Oreal lipsticks. a good nude. Everyone needs a good nude in their life. And I have some, this is Maybelline. Oh, such a good pink nude color. I love this color so much. I have Anastasia. I'm actually not that much of a fan of this formula. Then again, I only tried one shade, so I don't really know how the other shades are. This is the lipstick in Honey. And then I have a Dose of Colors lipstick, Angelic. I got this actually as like a promotion. You get that for free, like if you spend an X amount of money. I forgot how much it was. I pretty much just have all of my favorite Dose of Colors lipsticks. I have the KKW cream lipsticks, the Kylie lipstick. I have some lip glosses from Anastasia back here, which are my favorite. You guys already know how I feel about Gilded. Gilded is my jam. I got Vintage. This is Peony, such a good pink for the spring. And then I have some Tarte ones. These are also from Anastasia right here. And then Sephora. Honestly, if you guys never tried Sephora's lipsticks, I recommend them because they're really, really good. Honestly, they really are. I like this formula a lot. And then I have a Chubby Stick, which I actually like to use on an everyday basis. And then I have this pretty lip gloss from Dose of Colors. Boom. Then in this little section here, it's like a little compact holder. I also got it from Amazon. I have some highlighters here. These are like my staples. I got Fuego. I got Mírame, also from Dose of Colors. I got a backup Amrezy highlighter. I don't even know how the heck this even happens. I honestly don't even remember ordering a second one. And then I have a bronzer from Anastasia. And then I have this really nice highlighter from Hourglass. Not really like in your face type of highlighter. It's really nice and subtle. I really like this highlighter. Then over here, I just keep some foundations and a powder. This powder honestly is so big and bulky, it doesn't fit anywhere. So I'm kind of glad I have this. And then I have just some backup bobby pins. I got the Maybelline L'Oreal Pro Glow. You guys know how I love this so much. And then a OG favorite, which is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I actually want to get a new shade because I'm pretty sure I'm not this shade anymore. And try it out to see if I still like it. Like, what do you guys think? You think I should do a video like that? Like, just testing out OG favorites? Let me know. So this is what's behind me when I'm doing my videos. I just got this, like, I believe I got this in Home Depot. It's just one of those little storage things that you can get for your closet. And so I just put this in my background. I used to use this as a shoe organizer. I used to display all my shoes in my old place. And so I was like, oh, I'll just use it for my YouTube videos or whatever. And I just put like cute little things in the background, you know, whatever I find, whatever I get from like Marshalls or whatever I had for a long time is what I usually just put in my background. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys. Behind where I sit is actually where I keep all of my little decor stuff that I like to put in my videos. So this little tray here, I got this at the Container Store. I also got this little acrylic box from the Container Store. So on this table, this is what I use to film. I did get this desk in IKEA, like I said before. And I pretty much keep all of my go-to most important products here. This is pretty much everything I always use every time I film. So the makeup over here is pretty much all of my essentials. I got the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, the L'Oreal True Match foundation, YSL primer, the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, Milani Make It Last setting spray, and the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. Then I got my KKW concealer, the Kylie concealer, my brow pencil, and my highlighter, my lashes. Like I have like new products here that I want to try out. I got some ColourPop stuff that I want to try out as well. My toner, my alcohol spray, another primer, another favorite primer. So yeah, that's what I pretty much keep here at all times. I used to store other things in here, I just don't remember what. Now I use it for like everyday stuff that I need. So I got my eyeliners, another eyeliner, my lash glue, lip pencils. I pretty much just keep it all here. You know, my chapsticks, because you know, you don't want no chappy lips. And I just keep it here with my translucent powder. Then I got my little mirror here. Then all the way to the far right, I have just like my everyday essentials or my new stuff that I haven't tried out. And I have my contour kit from Anastasia, my single blushes, and then like my ride or die shadows here. And then I keep my brushes here in this little brush holder. I also got this in Amazon, so I will leave a link down below. And then these are the umbrella lightings that I use from Amazon as well. They're really inexpensive, and honestly they give a lot of light. It does come in 3. Right now I only use 2, and then I pretty much use just the daylight that comes in through the windows. So yeah, this is such a simple, easy way to just do your YouTube videos. So in case if anyone out there is like, you're wanting to do something but you just don't have the budget, honestly this is very inexpensive. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.